Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making vegan banana chocolate chip cookies. So if you guys have one sad banana that looks like this, I'm going to teach you how to turn it into cookies that look like this. No dairy, no eggs, just a few simple ingredients. Let me show you guys how to make them. So first we're going to preheat our oven to 375 degrees. So I'm going to use my stand mixer today with the paddle attachment, but if you guys want to use a hand mixer, that also works too. So first we have 113 grams of coconut oil in our mixing bowl. Next we're going to add in 113 grams of dark brown sugar. Now if you guys only have light brown sugar, that also works too. They're pretty much interchangeable, except that the brown sugar is going to give it a little bit more richer flavor. Then we're going to add in 113 grams of cane sugar. And then of course some vanilla extract. This is one of my favorite tricks for opening vanilla extract when it won't open, is using my silicone funnel that I use for my spice jars. So if you guys have this, it is a great trick. Now we're going to mix this on low until combined and there's no chunks of coconut oil. Now we're going to add in our very ripe banana. Now we're going to mix this on low just to combine the banana chunks. Next we're going to add in our dry ingredients, our all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. Then we're going to mix on low to combine into a cookie dough. Now that we have our cookie dough made, we're going to add in our dark chocolate chips. And now you guys can feel free to use additional mix-ins if you want. I love adding in some chopped pecans, some chopped walnuts, or even some almonds and coconut together. So delicious. This is also delicious with some dried fruit like some dried blueberries or cranberries. But today we just have some plain dark chocolate chips. Now we're just going to mix this on low until the chocolate chips are combined. So now we're just going to roll these into 12 cookie dough balls. And if you guys want to use a cookie scoop, you totally can. But if you know me, I'm terrible at cookie scoops, so I always just use my hands. And when using my hands, I like to divide the cookie dough in half. And then we're going to have 6 cookies on each sheet. Then it makes it just really easy to divide this in half and then into 6 pieces. Now if you guys want to add some chocolate chips right on top, you can do that, but it's totally optional. Now we're going to bake these at 375 degrees for about 13 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. And look at how golden brown and delicious these banana chocolate chip cookies are. They're soft, they're chewy, they're a little crispy on the edges. You guys are going to love them. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more bakery style cookie recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.